This video showcases powerful new animation effects that are easily tailored and very flexible. The effects are designed to provide users with exciting new ways to share video content on social media. Our goal is to get these effects incorporated into an iMessage app so that they can come up and play instantly when viewed in text messages on Apple mobile devices. These effects can combine emoji, text, images, and photos with eye-catching animations that are very repeatable. Our design took a vector graphics-like approach such that the viewed content looks very much the same regardless of the size of the device the messages are viewed upon. The animation effects rely on a proprietary video engine that processes scripted commands. These scripts provide fine control and repeatability. Scripts can easily be changed with any text editor. Our design allows for objects to be stacked in the same exact spot. Objects can also be linearly aligned. Aligning objects allows for twisting and ripple effects. Aligned objects can easily be tapered in size. Tapers can be dynamic using timing staggers to result in wave-like and pulsating effects. Short time duration animation effects can easily be captured on video. Those short videos can be used to make incredible looping GIF files. It is very easy to find starting and ending points that are pixel for pixel exactly the same, creating a seamless continuous GIF. Note that object frames can be animated to stretch and shrink horizontally and vertically. Pixelation strength loop effects looks great with logos and cartoon character-based art. Our scripts can create concentric art using rainbow-like color gradient effects. The concentric shapes can have a corner radius that varies anywhere between rectangular and circular. Sometimes there are fun moire effects when overlapping shapes. Note how a slight angle offset in the concentric shapes improves the art. Those angles can be dynamically changed on the fly, twisting either to the left or right. Bounced concentric art looks interesting. Any spring strength and damping levels can be commanded by the scripts for desired slow or fast bounces or small or big bounces. Trails effects, where similarly shaped objects are co-located, but with each object having different scales, angles, and fade-out times, creates mesmerizing animation effects. Note how our design often stacks same-sized objects right on top of each other with slight timing staggers. The timing stagger delay times are controlled with a single script command, allowing for easy tailoring. A single number controls whether the timing staggers are slow or fast. The timing stagger period can be changed as desired at any point during the scripts. Also, the animation time of any object is controlled by a single script command. Similarly, the animation time period can be changed as desired at any point in the scripts. Our scripts allow special animation effects with photos and images. Apple has many powerful photo filter choices to use with photos and video. Our scripts can transition between filter effects using cross-dissolve or flipping. Many of these effects can be combined to work with sticker pack images to build a much more detailed art canvas for viewing. Scripts can command that the camera roll or the camera can be opened so that users can choose an existing photo or bring in a photo taken in the moment to use with our artifacts. Animated hue changes with photos looks fun. Scripts can allow users to interact with photos, dragging them and resizing them even while other animation effects are occurring. Our scripts can create scrolling border messages at any of the screen edges with any chosen height scale. The scripts can control the scroll speed, background color, text color, and font on the fly. It is easy to sync the border messages to have the same content if more than one screen edge is chosen for use. Scrolling border text can be overlaid onto any photo-based art or any other art to let users easily create and annotate their artistic designs. Our scripts allow flexible placement where coordinated objects can flow to circle patterns, linear patterns, heart-shaped patterns, and specified points. Any combination of animation periods, timing staggers, and delays can easily be scripted. The effects shown in this video were quickly written demos just to test our code baseline and showcase the technology. Imagine what dedicated graphic artists might be able to design and create. All effects shown took less than 1 month of coding by one strong developer. Imagine what a small team of good developers might come up with in 1 year of coding. Our scripting tools allows for object positions to be swapped over any range of objects. The swapping of positions can be coordinated in time, or they can be swapped with a timing stagger. Please note how this clip shows how different subsets of objects can be specified in the swapping. The timing stagger between swaps and the animation flow time is easily tailored. In starting to wrap up, you might note that we incorporated a turbo speed factor in our scripts that allows script editors to increase or decrease the execution speed of scripts as desired. Editors can quickly skip through longer scripts to a point of interest several minutes in by setting the turbo speed factor to 100 times normal execution speed. Script editors can then revert back to normal speed close to their current edits. Similarly, if a designer desires a slowed down and precise look at animations, they can slow execution speed down to a crawl and closely watch their designs flow in slow motion. As a note, any length of script is allowed that can execute over minutes or even hours. It's possible for users to create unique video effects to couple to song tracks, or even use as exactly repeatable light show effects for live performances. Regarding emojis, since the trend in emojis is toward higher definition and having more detail, current art and future art can be generated using emoji and flowing patterns, and that's fun and eye-catching and will just keep getting better and better. And finally, you might have noticed that background color changes can be animated between any desired colors.